We had that, so we had that 650 gallon per minute pump, excuse me, and it just wasn't enough. So we ended up getting a lot better flow now coming out of this one. We got a 2,500 gallon pump from Harbor Freight. Duckweed's doing really, really good. Suspended solids pump. So we're getting a lot better overall drainage. We got the pump, the new hose signed up. Got this all installed. And that just goes in the middle of the K1. Starting to get that bio to it. I got an air stone that I got in there, an 8-inch air stone, but I need to get a stronger pump for it. Working on that right now. We got the new hose for that. Hey, leave it. Anyways, it is all up and running. We're getting a lot better flow out of it, which is what we want. Really, really happy with the performance. Anyways, hopefully you guys are having a beautiful day. And you guys be blessed.